What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, today's video is all about my February Boxycharm. So if you want to see what's inside my Boxycharm for the month of February, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited as always because my Boxycharm has came in the mail, and it took it a long time because I usually get it in the beginning of the month. And hello, February is almost over with. We only got a few more days left. But I finally got my box, so I'm excited to be opening it, and it's way bigger than it normally is. Look, it's as big as my head. So I'm just like, ooh, I wonder what's inside. So, if you do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You can pay $25 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products that value over $125. That's right, over $125 of beauty products for 25 bucks. You cannot beat that when you know you're a beauty junkie like me. So, yes, but I'm excited because this box is super big. But they do have the ultimate box, which is $35 a month, and that values, I think, over $200 of beauty products, and it's 6 to 7, so that is a steal as well. I just haven't upgraded yet, which I think I might soon. So stay tuned for that. But yes, I'm excited, and I know you guys are excited. That's what you clicked on this video for, so let's go on and open this bad boy up. So I got my handy dandy scissors right here so I can open her up, because you guys know I like to be surprised and open it just right along with you guys, okay? So I'm going to set it down, and yes, this box is big this month, okay? Boxycharm. So yes, let's get it started. So of course I got the little phones. Alright, so first up I have the Evio Skin times Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Ooh, it's always good to get some makeup wipes, you guys, to cleanse that face. Get all those, especially if you use gel or liquid liners and mascara and all that. You know, you gotta get it off. But yes, this is nice to have. And then it says it's a hemp wipe. So let's give it a smell and see. You know, it just smells like a wipe. It doesn't have no hempy smell to it. But yes, it says Aurora Cannabis is one of the world's largest cannabis companies and is defining the future of cannabis worldwide. The Aurora certified label ensures quality, thoughtfully created with Evio to provide a unique hemp-based product. The Aurora certified cannabis sativa oil hemp used in all collaborative Evio Skin times Aurora products is 100% grown in Canada. As with all Aurora products, you can trust that these are lab tested and have received the Aurora seal of approval. That's super nice, and it says that it's vegan, cruelty free of parabens. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it does on my skin. So that's always nice to have. Next up, ooh, I love these right here. These is by the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. It says it helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And I love these so much. I use these not on a regular basis because they are a little, pricey. But I do use these. But I did give these in a giveaway, in one of my very first giveaways, because this is just a great product to have. Because who doesn't want to exfoliate, tone, and brighten their skin? Because come on, honey, I do. I like to be nice and glowy, okay? So next up, this is by Ciate London. This is the Everday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. That is nice. I'm excited to try this out because I love setting powders. And I do need a new one. Oops, look, this box is just ripping all to pieces, y'all. Ooh, she is pretty. She comes in a clear case, and you can see the setting powder is white, hence the word coconut. I'm trying to see, it does have a little plastic cover to hold that powder in there. And it does have a coconut smell, so that is exciting. Make you feel like you're on the beach, tropical vacation. That's what I think when I smell coconut by the water. So yes, Vacay is very nice. I'm going to try this out. Y'all know I love my Fenty Beauty setting powder because it just works wonders with my skin. But I am going to try this out and see how it does. So I'm excited about that. It says apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free, soft, focused finish. Lightly dust oil-prone areas using a large, fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. So I'm excited to try that. I got some good items so far. Then next up, I got some makeup brushes. Not sure the brand, so let's see if we can find the card, you guys. Oh, I don't have the card. Okay, so they didn't put the little stock card in this box that you normally get that tells you about the products and how much they cost, so I apologize for that. But I'll do some research and I'll put the prices of the products down below. But yeah, I did not get the stock card for this month. But I did get these brushes. So let's open it up and I'll take off the, oops, dropped one. Hold on. Take off the netting and we can get the name of these brushes. They're very, very cute. And they're by Alamar. They're by the Alamar brand, which they're very pretty. I love this orange chrome look. And I love the way, look at that. They're so soft. So we have a bronzer brush. Nice. And look at this. You see that? It's different. It's not flat. It has like a rippling at the top, which that's very different. And this one is a complexion brush. So yes, and this one's very, very soft. And then we have a brightening brush, which is this cute, which I think you would put some powder right under them eyes. That's where I feel like it will sit best. So yeah, these are very nice. Can't wait to try these out. So I'm about to put these right in my little makeup container right here. And last but not least, I have this palette by Iconic London. Ooh, and it's really nice. Pretty. So it says Day to Slay Eyeshadow Palette. Super, super cute. And it's got some weight to it, okay? It lets you... Oh my God. Oh my God. This is beautiful, you guys. This is freaking gorgeous. Look at that. These, oh my God, these are pretty. These are colors that I will wear every day. Ba ba boom. These are so me. Because I am a little plain Jane with a touch of pinks and shimmers. But there's all these metallics in here and shimmers. And oh my God, y'all know I love metallics. A good metallic. That's what I got on my eyes right now. Just a nice little metallic. And I ain't even put nothing else on, boo. So yes, this is nice. This actually looks similar to the shade that I have on now. This Velvet Crush. Looks just like the shade that I have on now. Oh my God, this palette is so freaking gorgeous. Okay, so we got to do some swatches, okay? Let's see. Alright, so first one we have Merlot Mondays, which is... It's fake. It's fake, but it's there. You know, it's really, really pretty. I think that's nice. And then I have Girl Boss. Look at that. Just so pretty. That is pretty. And then we have Wonderland. Oh my gosh, look at that. And then last but not least, we have Rags to Riches, which I'll put up here. Look at that. And they're pigmented. You can see them. The camera's not doing most of them justice, but you can see them. They're pigmented. Very, very, very pretty and cute. I would definitely rock this palette on a regular basis. I'm going to have to do a video using this palette because this is some pretty shades in here. So I'm very pleased with that. Let me wipe my fingers off. But yes, that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of February. I do apologize. I Don't have the stock card because it was not in the box. So I do not know what the theme is. But as you see, I got some great items. The Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. And then I got the Ciate London Coconut Setting Powder. And then I have the by First Aid Beauty, the Facial Radiance exfoliation pads, which this is so great to have. You guys do not know. This, I know right here, was probably the price of the box alone. Just this. And then we have the Evio Skin Times Aurora Hemp Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. So it's always nice to have some wipes, you know, when you're traveling or you're doing anything. Just throw them in your bag, throw them in your suitcase, have them, you know, have a little stack in the car, you know. Keep some on deck because you never know when you're going to need them. They come in handy for everything, not just, you know, wiping off makeup on your face. So you can use them for everything if you need be. But yes, I'm very pleased with my box. I'll have everything down below, and I'll try to search up the prices on all the items so that way you can get the price on the items and how much this box was valued for, because at this time I do not know how much the value is for my $25. But I can tell you this alone is $25 or just about with tax. So yes, because it's 28 pads in here. Yeah, so this is about $25 or more. So yes, that's everything that I got. I'm very pleased. I hope that you guys like this video. Comment down below, what did you like out of this month's box. I think I might upgrade to the Boxy Luxe and, you know, go from there. But yes, I am very, very pleased. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.